Hello, dear student. Good morning. We have already completed further examples of exercise number 1.5, and now we started our exercise number 1.5. Question 1 is classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. So we have this 5 statement and we have classified to the which one is rational and which is irrational number. So answer is 2 minus root 5 and 1 by root 2 and 2 pi are irrational because of root 5 have no value and value is irrational. No value means ke value is irrational, and 1 by root 2 value of root 2 is also irrational, and 2 pi and pi value of pi is irrational. So these three are irrational. And 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. So plus root 23 and minus root 23 is cancelled out and answer is 3. So second is rational, and 2 root 7 by 7 root 2 root 7 and root 7 is cancelled. So 2 by 7 are a rational number. So this is the true, and 3 is a rational, and 1, 4 and 5 is irrational. Now question number 2, simplify each of the following expression. Now we have to simplify and we must have idea of identity of root A, root B and etc. And we use all identity in this sum. So first one is 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. So solution is multiply with 3 into 2 plus 3 into root 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 into root 2. So 3 2s are 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, and root 3 into root 2 is root 6. So answer is 6 plus 3 root 2, 2 plus root 3 and plus root 6. And next one is 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. So using identities a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. It equals 3 square and minus root 3 square. So minus root 3 square, root and square is cut. So 3 square minus 3, 9 minus 3, answer is 6. And next one is root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So using identity of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we have a root 5 plus root 2 whole square. So a square, so root 5 square is 5 plus b square, so root 2 square is 2 plus 2ab and 2 under root 5 under root 10. So 5 plus 2 is 7 and 2 into 2 root 10, 2 5s are 10. This answer is 7 plus 2 root 10. The next one is 5 root 5 minus root 2 and root 5 plus root 2. So what identity is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square we have root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So square of root 5 is 5 minus square of root 2 is 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 3. Now recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle to its diameter, that is pi c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this construction? So now answer is here, but this is not important for exam. Just we image and we learn by this what pi is equal to c upon d. It means pi is a circumference and diameter divided. So c upon d. आंसर इसमें जो लिखा है वो एक्सप्लेन किया है कि विथ अ स्केलर और टैब वी गेट ओनली एन approximate rational number as the result of our measurement. That is why pi can be approximately represented as a quotient of a two rational number. As a matter of mathematical truth, it is a irrational. So we have a just pi is equal to c by d. C is circumference and d is diameter, is the irrational number. So now question 4 is represent under root 9.3 on the number line. To respected represented under root 9.3, draw a line segment of 9.3 units of the number line. Let's represent it 9.3, extend it by 1 centimeter. So point 10.3 by 2, 1 सेंटीमीटर जो हमको एक्सटेंड करना है 9.3 प्लस 1 सेंटीमीटर इज 10.3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. So 5.15 is the center of the diameter of a circle. And now 5.15 by on the number line with O as a center and radius is 5.15 units. Draw a semicircle using by this radius 5.15 and draw AB perpendicular to a OA to cut the hemisphere at B. The length AB is under root 9.3 units. Length AB is under root 9.3 units. So friends, this is the very easy to represent under root 9.3, and any irrational number of this type we represented on number line. And now question 5 is rationalize the diameters, the denominators of the following. Rationalize. Now we want to make a rationalize. So 1 by root 7. So in denominator we have a root 7. So multiply with root 7 upon root 7. And root 7 into 1 is root 7 is in numerator, and denominator have root 7 square is equal to 7. Then after 1 by root 7 minus root 6, so is equals to, we multiply in numerator and denominator both, root 7 plus root 6 upon root 7 plus root 6. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6 is same as, but in denominator root 7 minus root 6, root 7 plus root 6. So we use the identity of root is a minus b and a plus b. So square of root 7 is 7 and square of root 6 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Therefore answer is root 7 plus root 6. And now third and fourth you must complete it with yourself, and then after we go ahead you must do this exercise 1.5. Otherwise we don't go further exercise or further example or further theory. So you must complete this homework and pick a picture and send me in personally. Okay, have a good day. Bye.